Good morning, good morning, good morning. So guys, as I promised you, I'll be back with a video. I'm here to deliver. So guys, we know what is happening if you are staying in the UAE and you're an African and you're looking for a job and you're tamarking and you're going here and there looking for a job and the result is like zero, and you go with other nationalities and you're on the line and they pick the other nationalities and they leave you. I have a solution for us. So I know it's I'm not being biased, I'm not being critics or anything. So guys, if you have an Android phone, you go to App Store. If you have iPhone, you go to, I don't know what they call it, I forgot the name. So I'm using an Android phone, so I'm gonna show you. You just come here, okay, and look for Dubai police. Dubai police. And here we are, the Dubai police. Before I had already installed Dubai police, so it's gonna show you like that. So you just click open, and that's the Dubai police. And as you can see, my details is already in the Dubai police because I had already done it. Okay, but if you're new and you're trying this thing for once, they will ask you for your Emirates ID, and you can scan your Emirates ID, and then after scanning the Emirates ID, your ID will be here. If you can see here, this is my ID. So in the Dubai police, this is the page. The page looks like that, and you come here, you come to the services. This is the services, and in the services there is a lot of options. You can see, I want to see it closely. Can you see that? A lot of options. But then you don't need all those things. You don't need all those things. You just need a file of police clearance. So let me find it. So it is here. And the first one, the certificates, okay? So you come here and you open the police clearance. Okay, those are my details, okay? And a minute guys, a minute, just a minute. So I don't want you to see my ID. I don't want you to see my ID, but these are my details. So when you open the file, it will ask you about the questions. First of all, it will ask you about the residence, your name, your email, and your certificate you're applying. So the details, they'll ask you which details. So you come here, which details? Purpose of the certificate. What are the purpose of the certificate? You can say it's for employment, you can say it's for a company, you can say, and which are the party? Is it a private sector or is it a government sector? If you're working in a company, it should be. It depends with the company you're working with. Is the company belongs to the belongs to the government, or it's a private sector? So for me, I don't work in the government, so I use it like a private sector. So you click on the private sector, then you will have to fill all your Emirates ID, your Emirates, and on all this, and the details here. It will ask you the purpose, and you will have to give them the reason why you're doing it. So when you give them the details of why you're doing the police clearance, you have to accept the terms and conditions. So you have to click English, you accept the terms and conditions, and then you submit. So once you submit, okay, then you wait them to send you a mail, okay? Once they send you a mail, I cannot do it all, because if I do it in my phone, I've already done it before, so it will show me that you have already done this and that. So but it is for the people who haven't done it, for the people who have no idea what to do if you want a police clearance and how to do it. If you want me to do another video of how to do it without my information being on the phone, just tell me. write a message, write a comment, say something, and I'm gonna do it without my phone having the details, because once you submit this information, the process is that they will send you a mail and they will send you a code, and that code you're gonna use it, and after you have the code, they will give you a number of those people, because I think there's a lot of people doing the process, so you will have a number of your own for applying for this. So please, once you get your police clearance, they will take maybe like 24 hours to send you back the reports. But then in the final stage, when you're about to exit, they will ask you for the payment. So you can use any ATM card you have, is it Visa, however, whichever, debit or anything you have, you can use it to pay for the police clearance. Then you wait for 24 hours. They will take all your details, all your informations and everything that you've been doing. And finally, after that, they will send you the police clearance. And you can go anywhere with it. Because now, if you're a Kenyan, you're a Tanzanian, you're an African, you're going anywhere, you have to have your Emirates ID. And you can also carry your police clearance. This clearance is valid for 3 months. So please, if you don't want trouble for yourself, if you don't want to be deported, just carry that thing with you. Just go with it anywhere you're going with Emirates ID. Don't forget your Emirates ID. Go with it. Carry your Emirates ID. Carry the police clearance. Once you show them, they know that this is valid. They know it's from the Dubai police, and you will be fine. So guys, that's the video for today. I hope it was helpful. I hope it's gonna help someone else. And I'm gonna show, this one was for the 200 dirham for the police department. If you want me to do another video which is cheaper, which is 50 dirham, I'm gonna show you how to do it. So please give me a comment, give me a like, subscribe to my channel, and I'm gonna do it for you. All right, for now, stay tuned. Bye.